window. This is all insulated. Here are some electricals. Now looking at up on the loft area. There's electrical here. Some electricals here. Some electricals going on here. This is the HVAC in the loft area. This is entire HVAC. This is again electricals in the loft area. This is HVAC going all the way. This is just above the stairs area. This is entire above stairs area. This is stairs. Again, keep doing here. This is entire gallery area. I have some electricals here also. So this is one point here going down. These are the other additional points. This is the laundry room. So this is the entire laundry room HVAC coming all the way here. This is laundry room still going on. This is all the laundry room stuff going on. This is the again HVAC wirings, the electricals. This is plumbing. This is the entire plumbing for the laundry room. Okay. Going to the master bedroom. This is master bedroom. This is entire HVAC here. Again, lightings, electricals, HVAC. This is entire master bedroom. Keep on going. This is entire master bedroom HVAC going all over the place. Keep going down. This is all going into the common bathroom. This is common bathroom, outlet, HVAC, plumbing here for the common bathroom. This is all the plumbing. This is all of it. I will be getting, this is my bathtub area. This is the water point here for the shower. This is here. This is my wash basin area. Okay, going to the bedroom 3 or bedroom 4, whatever it is called. Here again electricals, the lights in the closet of the bedroom 4. Again HVAC here in the bedroom 4. This is like a window for reference from here. This is the HVAC going all over the place. Again, this is electricals for bedroom 4. Let's go to master bathroom. So going to the master bathroom. Again, this is electrical. This is plumbing for master bathroom. Going in here, electricals. This is the HVAC here. This is all HVAC. This is master bathroom plumbing. This is Continuing with the bathroom here. So this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom pipelines, electricals here. This is the shower room. I mean the toilet. This is the toilet. This is the wiring here for the fan. This is again HVAC, exhaust, not HVAC. Okay. This is electricals here. This is the shower room. Hot and cold water supply. Shower. This is your vanity area. Again exhaust, supply, electricals, all of it. And pretty much done with this room. Going into the walk-in closet area. This is again exhaust, HVAC, everything off the top of the walk-in closet of master bedroom. This is again HVAC, exhaust, all of it here. Not much here, just I think just one outlet at the top, and that's it. But they are gonna drive all this entire thing here. Okay, let's go. We already covered the owner's bed. This is the common bathroom. We already discussed this one as well. Let's go to the other rooms. So going to kids' bedroom 2. This is HVAC here. This is the window, the exterior view. This is all the electricals going on here. All the electricals here. This is electricals going all over the place. I think they are gonna do the insulation in this entire room also today. So this is covering this room. Here are some additional switches. That switch I don't know goes where. This is for this area, loft area. Going to kids bedroom 1. This is again HVAC here. This is all the lights. This is the walk-in closet of kids bedroom 1. Again, this is here, HVAC, exhaust, whatever you want to call it. And this is the lighting points going all the way from here to there. That covers it all. I think we are done with the entire second floor. We'll go cover the other floors of the house. Thank you.